We know our systems are not doing what they need to be doing. My meeting with these wonderful women last night was, how can we build up parents when we think our system's doing what they say they're going to do and it's not doing it? So I want to dig in now into what is evidence-based plan B, like what parents do when they're not finding the mental support that they need, or they are getting the mental support, but they're still plan B at home, or the wait lists are too long, they can't access the care. Can you give me the gist of what parents would do with that?
So I think, first of all, if you can access family-based treatment
Mm-hmm.
so that your child is learning and you're learning, and that is going to be more Zoom-based, so you've got to have the connection in order to do that. But we can look up CBT skills, DBT skills, and I think really moving from punitive parenting to wisdom God. Punishing, reward parenting, it's not an effective strategy for this generation of kids.
It's not.
And we want to tell them because we've learned all these things. And if they would just listen to us, well, when has lecturing ever worked? Ever in the history of mankind?
Right.
Never.
Yeah.
They have to think it's their idea. And the way we do that is we ask questions. So I do remember when my kids they were teenagers, and I came home and I said, I am not going to lecture ever again. And they're like, Dad, laughing, oh, sure, you'll do it, you'll never quit. And I'm like, yes, I will stop because you all are going to help me. And they're like, okay, I'm listening now. And I said, anytime I start lecturing, you're going to point it out, and I'm going to say, I'm so sorry. I gave unsolicited advice, and I'm going to shut up now. And then I'm going to thank you. Well, what was I doing there? I was giving them their power back.
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
was saying, I need help. You can help me get this done. Uh, Takes 18 months to change a habit. Within 2 months, that habit was gone. I have never lectured since, not one time.
Mm-hmm.
And I ask questions with curiosity instead.
Kids, you know what? You get them to where you know that they need to be, but they're doing it, like you said, they're doing it on their own. They're figuring it out with questions.
Right. And what the really magic phrase I've noticed with a lot of kids is, you know, you're smart. I know you'll figure this out.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So you basically told them you have the skills. So it's just kind of an offhand, I'm not doing that toxic mom cheerleading. That's pretty ineffective too, or the toxic
Mm-hmm.
dad cheerleading, or you're so handsome, we need to back off of that. We just need to say you have the skills, you'll figure this out. Or if
Mm-hmm.
they come home and they've gotten a really terrible score, and it's like, oh, that must be empathize. That must be really difficult.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think you'll do differently next time? You've just planted a seed.
Yeah.
You didn't tell them what to do. You just planted a
Yeah.
seed and started a conversation. So I think the listen more and lecture less, go from being punitive parent to wisdom guide, being more vulnerable ourselves. And I don't mean
Mm-hmm.
with like, I think we might lose the house. Too big. But
Right.
like, oh
Yeah.
man, I just lost it with the neighbor about that tree. I'm so embarrassed. What do you all think I should do? Get their ideas. You may not do
Yeah.
them, but you're saying, I value what you have
Right.
to say. And then they start thinking.
You're also showing them that you don't need to be perfect in a culture that is
Thank you.
so achievement focused. I'm now modeling it's okay to make mistakes. I'm imperfect.